Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. So for today's video, we're going to make a meat or laham in the oven. So this is Helen Tanyamar. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from my one know how. Let's go! So first step, we're just going to cut the dill, the parsley, and the coriander leaves. Then after we cut, we're going to wash the vegetables or the leaves. Then this time we're going to cut our onion into small pieces and also our garlic. So this is our meat or laham. This is already clean. And then after that, we're going to prepare our lemon. We're going to squeeze them. So this time we're going to mix our ingredients. So this is the laham. And then we put the onion, then garlic, then our dill, parsley, and coriander leaves. Then salt, laham spices, turmeric powder, seasoning meat, the curry powder, and mixed spices, coriander powder, and cumin powder, and black pepper. Then we add our lemon. Then mix them. Then we need the cooking bag for the oven and the Pyrex. So we put it inside, and then after that we're going to tie the plastic bag and then put it in the oven for about 1 hour in 180 Fahrenheit. So after 1 hour, our meat or laham is done. So time to serve. And thank you guys for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. Bye bye. God bless.